What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Bartender Hideout. As you can see, we are completely ready for tomorrow. If you haven't checked the calendar yet, tomorrow is Valentine's Day, and we figured it would be a good moment to make you guys a cocktail. For once, it's only going to be one cocktail. As you can see, we did a little bit of decoration. Love is in the air, as I like to say it. But unfortunately, that also pretty much blew our whole budget. So that's why we're just sticking with the one for now. It's not going to say easy in the title, but it's still going to be an easy cocktail. This is going to be strawberries, is going to be sugar, and a Prosecco or a bubbly wine, whatever you have laying around. It's going to be like a strawberry mimosa for whoever haven't had a mimosa before. So your standard mimosa is going to be orange juice and it's going to be Prosecco, equal parts normally. I'm going to change that a little bit in this one. I'll tell you in a minute why. Actually, no, I'm going to tell you now. When we are making cocktails, we'd like to have a look at the ingredients separately as well before we make the cocktails. So before you even do anything, you want to have a taste, see what your strawberries are like. Are they sweet? Are they a little bit bitter? And I think that's really important to do, especially as well with your Prosecco. You want to taste that, see how these flavors pair up, and that makes sense then in the end how much sugar you should put in there. Also, how much sugar you want in there. That's still important as well. As you see, I have my good old friend, the blender here. So yeah, if you don't have a blender like this one, you can also use one of the stick blenders. We have one of the little stick blenders here as well, but I figured this guy would come in handy today. So let's get started with this one. I'm gonna add all my strawberries. So I already took the crown off, or at least we call it the crown. I don't know what you guys call it. So just make sure that you put it in the comments if you can help me with that one, because I have no clue. Yeah, so we're gonna be adding the strawberries straight into the blender. There we go. And then I'm gonna be adding about 2 bar spoons of sugar. I know, as I said, we need to taste a little bit beforehand. I know these strawberries are a little bit more bitter than you'd normally have them when they're normally super sweet. As I said, 2 bar spoons of sugar. So let's throw that in there. A little bit of spillage. As usual, any good bartender should spill a little bit. There you go. And then finally we have our Prosecco, which we'll just be adding so the blender actually has something to work with. I mean, we don't want it to be all dry because then you just get a mush that's not what we want. So we'll just kind of loosely add this to it. There should be enough already. As I said, we don't need that much. We're going to be adding some Prosecco to the glass as well. So I think then it's time to let this baby rip. So there we go. I'm probably going to give you some elevator music or something on this, because it's going to be pretty loud. Okay, let's see what we've got here. You can also obviously make the batch as big as you want. If you're gonna have Valentine's Day with 14 people, which is not very likely, but I mean, if you want, you could do it. I mean, you could be double dating or 7 double dating. I don't know. Let's just add this to our glasses. I figure we should have enough here for 2 of those. There we go. And time to add our Prosecco. We have our little mix in there. Again, if you want it to be a little bit more sweet, add more sugar, or make sure that you add more mix to your glass, and less Prosecco. This is all a numbers game of really what you want yourself, how you like your drinks. If you're big on the alcohol, definitely go big on the alcohol. That's what we tend to do here. There you go. Okay, cool. And then as a garnish, who doesn't love a nice heart? I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh wait, we have 2 beautiful hearts, obviously cut out of a strawberry, and I'll be I would give it a go to put this on here, but just to be safe, because I think I'm just gonna break it, we're just gonna drop that in. I know it doesn't look as nice, but I just like to be safe. I think that's it for you guys. I hope you're gonna be enjoying this with your significant other and you have a wonderful day. So I guess that's it for me. I'm signing off on this one. Let's make sure to drop a like and also leave a comment if you enjoyed this. If you tried this out and you enjoyed this, definitely make sure to drop that in the comments. Apart from that, just make sure to click that subscribe button as well. And I'll see you guys next week. Ciao.